If you want to select an item from a list, instead of typing values into the appropriate range of cells, you can use a drop-down list. So, a drop-down list can facilitate data entry and also reduce data entry errors. In this video, I am going to explain you how to create a drop-down list in cells. So, let's take a look at how to perform this. Let's go to our table Microsoft Excel. We want to mark the type of payment for the car due a drop-down list. To create such list, you have to follow these steps. The first one is this actually familiar to you. In cells F2, F4, type the item you want to appear in the drop-down list. Similarly, you can enter the item in a single row. For example, B12, D12. Then the next one is highlight the range of cells in which you want to create the drop-down list D2, D9. And then finally, from the Data ribbon menu, choose Data Validation. Data Validation window will open. On the Setting tab, in the Allow box, choose List. Place the cursor and the source control box and then highlight your list range. The cells F2, F4. Alternatively, simply enter the reference equal F2, F4. Click OK. In order to recognize how it works, we click on these cells here, D2, and we got this little drop-down icon right to the cell. If we click on that icon, we got a range of values and can choose any one of those. After that, we select the desired value in each row. It's easy for you. Thank you for your watching.